If you had invested $1,000 in Apple stock in 2010, you'd be sitting on more than $20,000 today. But the past is the past, and 2025 is here. So, what's the best way to invest your money right now? If you're feeling stuck or overwhelmed by choices, stocks, crypto, real estate, AI startups, don't worry. This video is your roadmap to smart investing in 2025. And trust me, you don't want to miss this. Subscribe now for the smartest money advice every week. Section 1 THE 2025 Landscape. Let us talk about the elephant in the room. 2025 is not like 2015 or even 2020. The world of money has changed and is still changing fast. Interest rates remain higher than pre-2020 levels. Artificial intelligence is shaking up every industry. The US economy is shifting from inflation panic to cautious optimism. Remote work is now mainstream, and Gen Z is officially investing. Key takeaway: what worked in the past won't necessarily work now. You need to adapt your strategy to where the world is going, not where it's been. Section 2. Best investment number 1. Index funds. Let's start with something safe, steady, and proven. Index funds. Index funds, like those tracking the S&P 500, remain one of the most powerful and beginner-friendly ways to build long-term wealth. Why? Diversification, low fees, historical returns of 7 to 10%. Annually, no stock-picking stress if you're just getting started in 2025. Opening a Roth IRA or brokerage account and auto-investing into an S&P 500 or total market index fund is a powerful move. Recession, correction? Don't worry, time is on your side. The market rewards long-term patience. Section 3. Best investment number 2. AI-driven stocks. 2025 is the year AI goes from buzzword to backbone. Companies using AI to improve operations, cut costs, or dominate new markets will outperform. Think beyond just NVIDIA. Consider Palantir, data analytics at scale Amazon AI, logistics plus cloud Tesla, full self-driving potential startups in AI SaaS or robotics. The key: look for businesses applying AI, not just talking about it. Bonus tip: use tools like Finch.io or Koifin to screen AI growth companies based on actual performance. Section 4. Best investment number 3. Real estate, with a twist. Real estate is not dead, but the way you invest in it has changed. Here's the modern play. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Great for passive income house hacking. Buy a duplex, live in one unit, rent the other. Fractional real estate platforms like Fundrise or Arrived with higher mortgage rates. Direct ownership is harder, but REITs and fractional platforms let you invest with as little as $100, giving access to commercial real estate, rental income, and appreciation, all from your phone. Section 5. Best investment number 4. Building a personal brand. This might surprise you. One of the best investments in 2025 is you. We're living in the creator economy, and attention is a currency. Whether you're into photography, fitness, finance, or tech, building a personal brand on YouTube, TikTok, or Substack can lead to affiliate income, brand deals, product sales, speaking gigs, and unlike stocks, your ROI here is unlimited. Start with consistency. Build trust. Deliver value. In 12 months, you'll thank yourself. Section 6. Bonus. AI plus affiliate marketing. Here's the secret sauce the wealthy are jumping on in 2025. AI plus affiliate marketing. Use AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Notion AI to write blog posts, automate product reviews, run affiliate websites, script YouTube videos. Yes, like this one. Then, connect affiliate links to platforms like Amazon, Skillshare, or niche software. The result? 24/7 income, even while you sleep. It's not get-rich-quick, but it is scale-rich smart. Let's wrap it up. In 2025, the best investment isn't just one thing. It's a diversified strategy. Index funds for stability, AI stocks for growth, real estate for cash flow, personal brand for control, AI-powered side hustles for scale. Now I want to hear from you in the comments. Which one are you starting with? Smash that like button if you learned something. Hit subscribe for more investing wisdom every single week. And turn on notifications. You Dan T want to miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching. Here's to making smarter money moves in 2025 and beyond.